Hey everyone, Tony G here. Welcome to the next stretching series, okay? In these videos, you are going to see upper trap stretch, levator scap stretch, and the neck stretch, okay? Now, all these stretches are important because typically as we are working from day-to-day life, a lot goes on. We're always down, we're in our phones, we're working on a computer, our posture's all rounded, all the neck musculature, upper extremities tend to get very, very tight. Once we start getting neck pains, this can lead to cervicogenic headaches. This can lead to forward head posture. For every 1 degree, typically of forward head flexion, you have about 4 pounds of force, all the way up until about 5 degrees. Then it starts multiplying even more to the point where we're just kind of all walking around like this. And this is not a good posture, okay? You want to make sure that your head is in an optimal position, especially when it comes to lifting or working out. I cannot stress the importance of this, okay? It's interesting how they've done studies where your head posture, even with things like squatting, lifting weights, or even something as simple as a bicep curl, can actually affect your nervous system and change the way that you're lifting. So keeping that in mind, let's get these neck stretches done. And let's just, let's reset the body, everyone. There are a few rules that we need to take into consideration before we even do any stretch, okay? Whenever you're working with the neck, you never want to tug or pull your head as hard as possible, okay? This can actually induce a spasm, and this will cause more pain throughout the neck, and this will undo what we're trying to do, okay? So whenever you're doing any form of neck stretch, you always want to be gentle and soft, okay? That means that when you're working with your hands to pull your head into different directions, you're going to be doing this very, very gently. You never want to jaggedly pull or forcefully do it. Another thing you want to consider is that if while you're doing this, you are increasing your pain, you're getting numbness, tingling, or dizziness, stop. You could be compressing or interfering with any of the nerves or arteries or veins inside of your neck. This is not normal. Go see a medical provider, okay? Now, once we've ruled out those things, what we want to do then is, let's get into the stretch, okay? Hey everyone, Tony G here. Thank you for checking out the video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope that you can bring these stretches into your life. Just because of the way that we are right now as a world, we're all working on our phones and our computers. It's very important that you get daily stretching into the mix, okay? This is going to help decrease pain, it's going to help increase productivity, and it's going to make you overall a better human being, okay? So thanks everyone again. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.